Hello everybody, welcome to part 2 of our Module 7 video. I apologize that the last video ended so abruptly. My computer filled up with space and it wouldn't let me record any more videos, so now I've made some space and I can make this one now. So we are on page 3, number 3, and we're talking about what would happen if the supply went up by less than demand goes down. What I'm asking you all to do, I'm challenging you to pause the video right now and give this one a try on your own. See how it goes. See if you can do it. So give the video a pause and give it a try. Did you pause the video? Are you back now? Did you give it a try? All right, so here is my example. I came up with the result that the price went down and quantity went down. This is what my graph looks like. Notice my supply curve is going up just a little and my demand curve is going down by quite a bit. And so if we go back up to the top, we'll see that what if supply goes down and supply goes up and demand goes down? We see that the result is that the price would go down, quantity would stay the same, go up, or go down. So the price did go down in each one of these scenarios. So therefore, we know that if the supply goes up, the price will go down, meaning that if businesses decide to make more of a product, eventually that price will reduce, which is good for us consumers. Now on page 3 here, we talked about supply going up and demand going down. And on page 2, we talked about both supply and demand going up. What we didn't talk about is both supply and demand going down, or supply going down and demand going up. You can practice those on your own. You now should have the skills to kind of figure that out by drawing the graphs and putting in the new supply and demand curves and reading those graphs. All right, everybody.